Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Boom Boom. Today we are going to discuss about Pavani Karanam and her recent appearance in Teach for Change 2026 event. Pavani Karanam rose to fame playing Pushparaj's niece in the blockbuster Pushpa the Race 2021 and had also reprised the role in Pushpa 2 in 2024. She was born on November 30, 1999. She had debuted in 2018 with the movie Kirak Party and has starred a lot of films since then, including Hit 2 2022 and her lead debut Pareshan 2023. Her career highlights: Pavni's breakthrough came with Pushpa the Race, earning her widespread recognition for her supporting role. She showcased versatility in Hit 2 and took the lead in Pareshan, proving her range beyond ensemble casts. Her filmography includes Pailam Palinga 2024 as Devi, solidifying her presence in Tollywood. Teach for Change 2026 event. The Teach for Change annual fundraiser 2026, presented by Premier Energies and hosted by Lakshmi Manchu, occurred on March 28th at Novotel Hyderabad Convention Center. The event supported quality education in government schools for underserved children. Pavni participated in the star-studded ramp showcase. Her golden sari look commanded attention and the audience praised her for her looks. Her upcoming projects. There are no confirmed upcoming projects listed after Pushpa 2 The Rule and Pailam Palinga as of April 2026. But still, social media buzz mentions unverified titles like Kaveri, Pranaya Gotari, or involvement in Hit 3 with Prashant Verma. But these lack official announcements or release dates. She stays active via events like these and in Instagram. We wish her all the best for her future projects. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified for my future videos.